Alright, so last I left you guys, we had our walls and windows removed, had the doors taken out, and this week in part 2, you can see we have our contractor did all the framing, got the walls rebuilt. He did all the construction with 2x6 material, 2x6 studs on the inside, so we get some insulation in there. Here you can see where the bay window is going to be fitting in, and the casement window over on the other side. We have to do tempered glass on that one since we're so close to the steps that are going to be leading down into the bar room area. That's just to meet code. And then of course where the fireplace will be going. I think the next phase is going to be to build up the floor in here, about 6 inches high, so we get some insulation in there. I plan to do 3 beams going across the ceiling in here. The center of the center beam is actually going to be where our ceiling fan is going to be mounted to, right on that beam. So I had mentioned last week that I had built a mantle already for the fireplace. I did this maybe a month ago, and right now it's just sitting on my bed in my spare bedroom. But the mantle, you know, there's different ways of doing the mantle. A lot of times people use a reclaimed wood, which is really the look I was going for. But the cost of those things is expensive, so I built this out of 1x knotty pine, which is way less expensive. Basically constructed a box, mitered the edges, glued them together, used brad nails to hold it in place, and then just bang it up. I used a chain to hit it, I used nails to scratch it, screwdrivers, whatever I could just to bang it up to make it look more weathered and worn like it was an authentic old barn beam. So my plan is to build the faux beams in the exact same way so that the mantle over the fireplace will look just like the beams. So anyway, that's my update for this week. But so far, I'm really happy the way it's coming together. Check in next week and we'll see where we're at.